How to change TikTok account, country, or region. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Go to your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find settings and privacy. In here, simply click on privacy. And then in privacy, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Location Services, which is below Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply to never use it, click on Never. After you've done Never, you're good to go. This is how to change TikTok account, country, or region. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.